This breakout room is titled Get Clean, and it focuses on the pre-K age group. Students will have a chance to remember why they need to stay healthy by utilizing some basic knowledge about numbers and shapes. You're going to want to split your class up into about groups of 4 or 5 for this activity. For this particular breakout room, you're going to need the 3-digit lock code, the 4-digit lock code, the letter lock code, and the arrow lock code. And what you're going to want to do is place all of these onto the large breakout box. And inside the large breakout box, you're going to want to include the reflection cards and then also a bottle of soap. This is the story that your students will be focusing on. Since it's important for all people to wash their hands, we want to make sure that children learn this from a very young age. And so this is a kind of a fun activity to get their minds thinking a little bit, but also to remind them to stay clean and healthy. Here are the 4 codes for the locks, and in the slides following, I'm going to give you a little bit more information on how to find those combinations. Here I have included a link for you to go to access all the printouts that you will need for each of the locks. The 3-digit code is 314, and for this activity, you're going to have each student count the number of soap bottles in each column, and that will lead to the end combination at the bottom here. The 4-digit lock code is 2608, and each student is going to have 4 of these wheels, and you're going to have the student spell out the letters S-O-A-P, soap, and take the outside letter and correspond it with the inside number to get the end answer. In the letter lock code, students will be practicing their shape memorization, and they will be spelling out the word germ, and so they will need to correctly match the shapes to unscramble the letters above. For the arrow lock answer, the students will be getting the number 5 number card, and basically what has to happen is they have to tell you if the numbers that they receive aside from that are higher or lower than the number 5. The end answer for this lock is up, down, so you want to make sure that you are giving them the appropriate numbers for them to receive that end code. There will be 1 group at each station, and as each group finishes up, they will be able to rotate stations so that each group gets the chance to unlock each code. At the end, they will come together, and then the teacher will help them put in the codes that they have come up with the answers for. Once all of the codes are officially unlocked, you should be able to open the box and get out the soap and the reflection cards. Take a few minutes to talk it over with your students and then have them all celebrate by washing their hands. This link here provides a more detailed list of the instructions you need to follow. And once again, when you're all finished, celebrate and be sure to always wash your hands. Thanks for watching. Hope you have fun doing this activity.